Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize workers' compensation claims with the Workers' Compensation Lawyer Beginner Guide step by step clearly. In this guide, we will explore how to optimize workers' compensation claims with a workers' compensation lawyer. Start by understanding the basics of workers' compensation law. Familiarize yourself with your rights as an injured worker. Gather all relevant documentation pertaining to your injury. This includes medical records, incident reports, and any correspondence with your employer. Next, consider consulting a workers' compensation lawyer. A qualified lawyer can provide insights tailored to your situation. Once you've engaged a lawyer, share all details related to your claim. Be transparent about your injury, work conditions, and any previous claims. Your lawyer will evaluate the strength of your case. They will advise on the next steps based on their assessment. Keep an ongoing record of all medical treatments and expenses. Document every visit to healthcare providers involved in your recovery. Ensure you maintain communication with your employer about your recovery progress. Promptly report any changes in your medical status. Your lawyer will navigate the complexities of filing your claim. They can help ensure all paperwork is filled out correctly and submitted on time. Be prepared for possible negotiations regarding your settlement. Your lawyer will advocate for a fair compensation amount. Stay engaged throughout the process to understand what to expect. If a dispute arises, your lawyer can guide you through resolution procedures. This could involve mediation, arbitration, or even litigation. Finally, remain patient. Claims can take time to resolve. Your lawyer is your ally in ensuring a smooth claims process. By following these steps, you can optimize your workers' compensation claim effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.